Looking for an affordable 24-inch gaming monitor with high refresh rates? The Xiaomi G24i and Skyworth H24G30F are both budget champions offering 180Hz performance. But which one actually delivers better value? Let's break down the specs and find out. Here's the thing, these monitors are remarkably similar on paper. Both feature 23.8-inch fast IPS panels with 1920 1080 Full HD resolution and 180Hz refresh rates, plus 1 millisecond GTT response for rapid gaming reactions. The Skyworth offers 300 nits typical brightness with a peak of 360 nits, while the Xiaomi G24i delivers 250 nits typical brightness. Both support HDR and have a 1000:1 contrast ratio. The Xiaomi G24i features factory color calibration with delta E less than 2 for accurate colors and covers 99% of sRGB color gamut. The Skyworth H24G30F also offers HDR10 and reportedly delivers excellent color quality according to user reviews. Both monitors use 8-bit color depth displaying 16.7 million colors. The key difference, Skyworth's higher brightness at 300 nits typical versus Xiaomi's 250 nits means Skyworth may perform better in brighter rooms. The Xiaomi G24i features AMD FreeSync technology to synchronize GPU and monitor frame rates, reducing screen tearing and stuttering during fast-paced gaming. The Skyworth supports both HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 at a full 180Hz refresh rate, plus HDCP 1.4 and 2.2 support. Both monitors deliver smooth, responsive gameplay, perfect for competitive gaming with a 1 millisecond response time, eliminating ghosting. The Skyworth supports VESA mounting with the 100x100mm bracket pattern, giving you a flexible for wall mounting or monitor arms. User feedback suggests both monitors offer solid build quality for their budget price points. The viewing angle on both monitors is 178 degrees, ensuring consistent image quality from different positions. Here's where it matters most. Both monitors typically fall in the budget-friendly range of under $200. The Xiaomi G24i is often marketed as a budget-friendly gaming monitor with higher refresh rates, while Skyworth is frequently recommended as an affordable option, perfect for budget setups. Pricing can vary by region, but they're different competitors in the same price bracket. Choose Xiaomi G24i if you prioritize factory-calibrated color accuracy with delta E less than 2 and want a trusted brand name with proven quality control. Pick Skyworth if you need higher brightness at 300 nits, typical for brighter gaming environments, and want maximum brightness that peaks at 360 nits. The bottom line, these monitors are nearly identical twins. Xiaomi wins slightly on color accuracy and brand reputation. Skyworth edges ahead on brightness. Check which one's cheaper in your region and grab that one. You're getting a killer 180Hz gaming monitor either way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.